welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is Tuesday, June 24th, 2008. Constitution Capital Partners has raised $600 million from the U.K.'s second largest pension fund, University's Superannuation Scheme, to invest in North American private equity funds and direct co-investments. USS will gain a 10% ownership stake in CCP. USS head of alternative assets Mike Powell said that the scheme is looking for the most effective way to increase investments in North American middle private equity. CCP will assume a value-oriented approach and hone in on North American private equity funds with between $200 million and $2.5 billion in assets under management, and will make direct investments of $10 to $45 million in companies with values between $100 million and $1 billion. Institutional investors surveyed by Watson Wyatt about the 10 most undesirable scenarios that could happen in 10 years have revealed that insufficient retirement income from defined contribution plans top the list. European head of investment consulting Paul Trickett says the pensions industry's attention has remained largely focused on defined benefit schemes, even though global assets invested in DC schemes are likely to exceed those in DB plans within the next 5 to 6 years. Trickett said that while there are more sophisticated investment approaches, now they are harder for providers to create. Assets under management in Asia by LaSalle Investment Managers could double in the next 3 years, Reuters reports. LaSalle also added that it is considering investing in India for the first time. LaSalle Investment holds about $11 billion in Asia property assets under management and plans to make $10 to $15 billion worth of deals in the next few years. It manages Asia's first open-ended fund, which has grown to $2.3 billion in assets under management, and also raised a $3 billion opportunistic fund last year. Edwards said this opportunistic fund would have $10 to $12 billion buying power with leverage. As part of a total $1 billion placement it announced in 2007, Philippine state pension fund GSIS is looking for a fund manager to oversee an overseas investment of as much as $400 million this year, Reuters reports. President of the Government Service Insurance System, Winston Garcia, told reporters the pension fund was also planning to raise its total overseas investments, but has not decided by how much. ING Investment Management and Credit Agricole Asset Management of Singapore are managing $300 million each in funds for GSIS. They beat 7 other global fund managers last year that were shortlisted from an original list of 36 asset managers from Asia, Europe, and the United States vying for the contract. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Reports. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.